Okay children, let's see the next exercise. In this exercise also they given a double letter O word, isn't it? The sound of O is O. Okay, first just we read the each and every letter, then we move to the exercise. Okay, the first letter T O O T H, tooth. T O O T H, tooth. This is shoot. S H O O T, shoot. This is goose. G O O S E, goose. This is foot. F O O D, foot. This is wood. W O O D, wood. This is cook. C O O K, cook. This is broom. B R O O M, broom. This is moon. M O O N, moon. Okay, so tooth means, where is the tooth picture? Now the first you just randomly read the spelling and the pronunciation of the each word. Now we are going to draw the lines to the each and every picture. For example, here the tooth, and tell me the picture where it is tooth here. You are going to find it out because it's a very simple exercise. I am not going to do it with you. You are going to do it with me. Find it out. Where is the tooth? Yes, you all find it out. Where is the tooth? Here. Very good. Shall I put a draw line here? Okay. Next, this is shoot. Shoot. You all know. You all children will know what is meant by shoot, isn't it? Okay. Tell me where is the shoot picture is here. Yes, some of them tell me very correctly, and some of them are searching still. Where it is? Find it out. Find it out. Find it out. Okay, finally we got it. Shoot. Very nice. Next one, goose. Find it out. Where is a goose? You want me a clue? Okay, goose means it's a bird. It's a kind of bird. Yes, everybody find it out very fastly after I am giving a clue, isn't it? Where is a goose? Yes, here. Very nice. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is a food. It's not a food, it's a food. Food. You are getting O longer. Ooh. Food. Food. Okay, where is the food? No, it's not a food. He is a cook. So where is the food? Yes, yalla. This is a food. You all love fries, French fries, and burgers, and ice creams, omelette, a lot chicken, sandwiches, popcorn. Yes, your favorite items was here, isn't it? Hot dogs. Okay, your favorite dishes was here. Okay. Let's see the next word. This is wood. You are going to find it out, the picture wood. Did you find it out? Where it is? Yes, here it is a word. Very good. Next word is cook. Cook. You are going to find it out. Where is a cook? Yes, here is a cook. Shall I put a line here? Very good. Okay, next, this is a broom. What is the usage of having broom? Every home will have a broom. What is the usage of having broom in your home? Yes, to clean up the floors, isn't it? The mother will always clean up the floor, but your naughty children will make the put dirty on the home, isn't it? Am I right? Am I right? Very good. Yeah, we'll do it like this only. I knew it. Okay, now you find it out. Where is the picture? Broom. You're going to find it out, the picture broom. Yes, here is a picture. So, shall I put a line here? Okay. See, the last one is moon. You can find it out very easily. Where it is? Yes, this is here. Moon. Okay. At what time you will see the moon? Whether you will see it on a daytime or whether you will see it on a night time. And what time you will see it moon on the sky? You will see at night time, isn't it? You will see it in the sky on night times, at night times, isn't it? Okay, very good children. In night there will be a moon and also the stars. Very good. The glittering stars also available, isn't it? Okay, there is a rhyme regarding this. What is a rhyme? Do you remember? Yes, twinkle twinkle little star. Okay. Oh yeah, no, it's related to stars. Okay. Now you understand what is the sound of double O? Oo, tooth, shoot, goose, food, wood, cook, broom, moon. Okay, if you get a double O and it sounds like oo. If you get double O, what it sounds like? Ooh. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.